charged with the offense of failure to stop and render aid in a moving vehicle. The range of punishment for that offense is not more than 5 years in the prison, not less than 1 year in the Bexar County Jail, and a fine not to exceed $5,000. Did you understand?
Welcome to the Court of Justice.
Court is calling 2023 CR 5104W, State of Texas versus Vanessa Castillo. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Julie Pollock from Miss Castillo.
And are you Vanessa Castillo?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Castillo, I'm going to show you a document entitled Waiver of Indictment, Reading of Information, and Rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And did you sign it?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to have a grand jury hear the evidence in this case and make a decision on whether or not to indict?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand your attorney has the right to have a passage of 2 entire days after service of the indictment or information and 10 days to prepare for trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering to a plea bargain agreement today, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this cause number?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived indictment, reading of information and rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Showing you the information, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the information?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the information as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of failure to stop and render aid in a moving vehicle? The range of punishment for that offense is not more than 5 years in the prison, not less than 1 year in the Bexar County Jail, and a fine not to exceed $5,000. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent? You need to speak up.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I believe she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Ms. Castillo, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Oh, it goes to her hand. Yeah.
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived a right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the prison. There are no applications, and this will run concurrent with 2022 CR 3840. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged in the information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? How do you plead?
Guilty. No contest.
All right, to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? All right, you're going to have to keep your voice up. I cannot hear you. The court reporter cannot hear you. How do you plead?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Your Honor, I submit State's Exhibit 1 in the attachments.
No objection.
Showing you waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 3840. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? Yes. All right, I'm showing you what's entitled, we're going to proceed in 2022 CR 3840, showing you what's entitled First Amendment Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? Are you the same Vanessa Castillo who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 3840 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on August 9th, 2022 for a term of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Your Honor, I submit State's Exhibit 1 in the attachments. I'm sorry.
Oh, we're on the motion to revoke.
Sorry, Judge.
That's okay. Which one are you proceeding on?
The new.
State. Here you go.
Sorry, Judge.
No problem.
Judge, violated condition number 1, on or about the 16th day of April, 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Vanessa Castillo, committed the offense of fail to stop and render aid in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, we waived the other violations alleged in the MTR.
Any objections to the waivers?
No objection.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 3 years in the prison and $1,000 fine? Did you understand?
Sorry.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
Your Honor, we're asking that Your Honor, we're asking for revocation and 2 years incarceration to run concurrent with cause number 2023 CR 5104W.
Is that the agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow that agreement? Are you waiving your right to appeal? All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court will grant the motion, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 5104W, showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you. You're going to have to make better decisions. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Sorry about that, Judge.
Oh, no problem.
The gavel falls, and the courtroom focuses on Vanessa Castillo. Judge Stephanie Boyd calls the case a 2023 charge for failure to stop and render aid, a hit and run. The range of punishment is severe, up to 5 years in prison. Without hesitation, Castillo enters a guilty plea. Judge Boyd finds sufficient evidence and pronounces the sentence, 2 years in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice. The air in the room grows heavier, but this is only half the story. Judge Boyd then pivots to a case from 2022, where Castillo was already on probation. The allegation is stark. By committing the new failure to stop offense, she has violated the terms of her probation. The judge meticulously ensures Castillo understands that pleading true to this violation could land her an additional 3 years behind bars. Castillo confirms her understanding and pleads true. The state prosecutor outlines the plea agreement, revoke probation, and sentence her to 2 years incarceration to run concurrently with the new sentence. Judge Boyd, embodying strict judicial authority, follows the agreement. She grants the motion to revoke and imposes the 2-year prison term, concurrent with the first case. With the legal machinery in motion, Judge Boyd delivers the final, devastating rulings. Because this is a plea bargain, Castillo forfeits her right to appeal. She is ordered to have no weapons or ammunition. But Judge Boyd isn't finished. In a moment that cuts through the legal formalism, she locks eyes with the defendant and issues a final, emotionally charged command that serves as the hearing's climax. Make better decisions. This isn't just a sentencing, it's a moral reckoning. In under 11 minutes, Judge Stephanie Boyd dismantles Castillo's freedom, holding her fully accountable for running from an accident and violating the court's prior trust. The concurrent sentences may offer some technical mercy, but Judge Boyd's stern, uncompromising tone ensures the message is received loud and clear. There is no tolerance for evading responsibility.